You know, probably about 17, 18 years ago, we were going to Appleton to the mall. And by Fremont, there was a pine bench, slab bench. A little vendor was on the side of the road selling it. And Deb and I went to the mall, and I could not stop talking about that bench. So we got the bench. I brought it home, I studied it. I never took traditional woodworking classes, maybe in junior high, but you just learn how to do it. If it's something you really are passionate about and you want to do it, you read, you watch videos, you trial and error. I took a few classes on rustic woodworking to give me some additional help, but a lot of it was just trial and error and passion. Well, a client will reach out to us and they will come through and tour here. We sit down with the client and how's it going to be used, you know, the amount of people there, what colors do they like. We'll get some size dimensions. We'll get working on an estimate for the client based on what we've spoken about. When we move forward, at that point then we source the wood, and everything that we source is locally sourced. We do our best to work with recovered wood only. Generally nothing's been cut down specifically for this, so we try to use as much of the tree or the slab that we get. We've got a really great person we work with. The warehouse he has there with the slabs is absolutely phenomenal. And then we select the wood, and then we will bring that back to our workshop here to begin the process. We will be I'll take pictures and I will send it, text it to client. So in a sense, they're basically kind of watching it take place from the beginning. They'll see stages, and clients love that. The coolest thing, my wife and I work together on every piece. Deb and I work together. We have our showroom here. We choose to have our showroom in our home. We wake up in the morning and, you know, here's what we're going to make today. So every piece is unique. We get excited about every piece. We really do.